Hi guys, welcome to Run Run Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing this toy hammock that I got to put my goddaughter's plush toys in there. All her stuffed animals fit in there. You can put other toys, whatever you want. But really pretty colors, holds a lot. It's a big hammock, so it fills a lot in there. And that way it keeps all her stuffed animals nice and neat in this little corner. So I love it. I love this. The colors are amazing. It's got little stars on there and everything. It does come with these little hooks if you want to hang other plush animals from it as well. That's up to you. We just put everything kind of in there. But overall, you like it? Yeah? It's pretty, right? Yeah. So we highly recommend it. It's a great product. Looks amazing and it's super easy to install. It comes with little hooks that you can put on the wall. And that's it. So we highly recommend it. We hope you enjoy. Bye.